How to password protect any folder in Windows 10 or 11. In this video, I'll show you how you can password protect any folder on your Windows 10 or 11. So to get started, go ahead and open your Windows device and then open File Explorer from here, and then on File Explorer, go ahead and head over into the section where you can find the folder which you want to password protect. Click on the folder and then right click on it. And then from here, go ahead and click on show more options, and then click on this add to archive button. So into this section, go ahead and click on the set password button, and you'll be able to create a password for this specific folder. Now take note that you can only find that add to archive option if you actually have the WinRAR application on your PC. So make sure to download the WinRAR application to be able to find this add to archive section wherein you can actually add password for your folders.